Imagine a world where homes are built in a day, organs are created from scratch, and even food can be printed at the push of a button. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's quickly becoming a reality, all thanks to one revolutionary technology, 3D printing. Today, we're diving deep into 7 mind-blowing ways 3D printing is already changing the world, and trust me, the future is looking incredible. Concrete homes built with 3D printing. Our first mind-blowing technology? Concrete homes built with 3D printing. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a home that's printed layer by layer using concrete. The construction industry is undergoing a revolution thanks to 3D printing, and one of the biggest breakthroughs is in home building. This isn't just about making a home quickly. This process drastically reduces construction time and costs, making housing more affordable than ever before. But it's not just about speed. 3D printing with concrete also allows for designs that are highly customizable, and because of its precision, it minimizes material waste, making it an eco-friendly solution to construction. In fact, this technology has already been used to build homes in areas suffering from housing crises, including parts of the US and Europe. But it doesn't stop there. Imagine a future where communities could be constructed in a matter of days, solving housing shortages and providing sustainable, low-cost homes for families in need. 3D printing of artificial organs. Next, let's take a look at one of the most groundbreaking and life-changing applications of 3D printing, the creation of artificial organs. Bioprinting, the process of printing tissues and even full organs using living cells, is pushing the boundaries of medicine. For decades, the world has struggled with organ shortages. Thousands of patients are waiting for transplants every day. But now, 3D printing could offer a solution. By printing human tissues layer by layer, researchers are already able to replicate complex organ structures with a high degree of accuracy. While we're still a few years away from printing fully functional organs, researchers are optimistic about bioprinting's potential. In fact, early-stage prototypes of 3D printed livers, kidneys, and hearts are already being tested in medical trials. Bioprinting could soon eliminate the need for organ donations altogether, drastically reducing waiting times and saving countless lives. Not to mention, the printed organs would be personalized for the recipient, reducing the risk of rejection. This is the future of medicine, and it's happening now. 3D printing in fashion. Now, let's talk about the fashion industry. It's no secret that fashion is one of the most fast-paced, creative industries in the world, and 3D printing has taken it to a whole new level. Designers are now using 3D printing to create intricate clothing, accessories, and footwear in ways that were once unthinkable. 3D printed fashion isn't just about futuristic looks, it's about sustainability too. Traditional garment production creates a massive amount of waste, but with 3D printing, garments are produced with near-zero waste. You can even print custom, one-of-a-kind pieces for individual customers, allowing fashion to become more personalized and less harmful to the environment. And we're not just talking about simple designs. 3D printing allows for incredibly complex and detailed structures. Think dresses made entirely of interlocking patterns, shoes designed to fit like a glove, and accessories that look like they belong in a science fiction movie. Fashion will never be the same. 3D printed vehicles. Next up, we have 3D printed vehicles. That's right, cars, trucks, and even planes can now be partially or entirely printed using advanced 3D technology. Manufacturers are using 3D printing to create lightweight, durable parts for vehicles. By reducing the weight of vehicle components, manufacturers can make cars more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly. One of the most exciting aspects of this technology is the ability to print complex parts that would have been impossible to make with traditional manufacturing. These vehicles can be customized to meet individual preferences, from the design of the car body to the internal structure. But the benefits go beyond aesthetics. 3D printing speeds up the prototyping process, cuts costs, and reduces the environmental impact of car production. In the near future, we might see fully 3D printed cars on the road, tailored to our needs and built to last. The world of transportation is changing, and 3D printing is driving the change. 3D printed prosthetics. Perhaps one of the most heartwarming applications of 3D printing is in the creation of prosthetics. Traditionally, prosthetic limbs have been expensive and often uncomfortable, but 3D printing is changing that. With 3D printing, prosthetics can be customized to fit the exact measurements of an individual's body, making them more comfortable, functional, and accessible. Because 3D printing allows for rapid prototyping, people in need of prosthetics can receive their limbs faster than ever before and at a fraction of the cost of traditional prosthetics. In fact, 3D printed prosthetics can be designed with intricate, customized features, whether that means adding vibrant colors or personal symbols. From children to adults, 3D printed prosthetics are changing lives and providing new opportunities for those who have lost limbs, restoring independence and enhancing quality of life. 3D printing food. Imagine being able to print your favorite meal, customized to your exact preferences. Thanks to 3D printing, the future of food is looking tastier than ever. 3D printing food is already being used in restaurants, catering, and even space exploration to create gourmet meals. By using ingredients like chocolate, dough, and even vegetables, 3D printing allows chefs to create stunning, intricate food designs that are impossible to achieve through traditional cooking methods. But it's not just about looks. 3D printing allows for highly personalized meals, tailored to specific dietary needs. Need a gluten-free pizza? Or a meal designed for specific nutritional needs? It's all possible with 3D printed food. 3D printed food could revolutionize the way we think about food production, reducing waste and making food more sustainable. The kitchen of the future might just have a 3D printer next to the stove. 3D printing in aerospace. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about aerospace. The aerospace industry is one of the most high-tech and high-stakes sectors, and 3D printing is playing a critical role in its future. NASA, Boeing, and other aerospace giants are using 3D printing to create lightweight, strong, and highly complex parts for rockets, aircraft, and satellites. These 3D printed parts are often lighter and more durable than traditional parts, which makes space travel and aerospace technology more efficient and cost-effective. What's more, 3D printing allows for faster prototyping, meaning that engineers can test new designs and make adjustments in a fraction of the time it used to take. Imagine a future where entire rockets are built using 3D printing, slashing production costs and accelerating the pace of innovation in space exploration. With 3D printing, the sky is literally the limit. From concrete homes and artificial organs to food and vehicles, 3D printing is changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. The possibilities are limitless, and the impact is already being felt across industries. As we continue to push the boundaries of this technology, one thing's for sure: the future is being printed right before our eyes. Which of these 3D printing technologies blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're just as amazed by these innovations as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible tech updates. See you in the next video.